Hello, my name is Tok. I just would like to introduce you about my country, Thailand, and now I live in Bangkok. I'm gonna give you some tips or some place that or the food or something in general about Thailand, and maybe you will have some idea in case you like to travel here. So hope you enjoy later on with my videos and see you for the next time. Bye bye.
Hello, today I try to do something new and we just try to record about the fish life, like a kind of underwater world, something like that. So I just would like to introduce my fish. Actually, it's my brother fish, is a koi fish, and we just had them quite a long time, like many years, at least 5 years, and my brother loved them. So he bought since when they're quite small, and now they are bigger and bigger. And actually, for the water system and everything, my brother just made it or invented it by himself. So what you have seen so far now is something like they they swim in the fish tank, but actually it made of like a kind of a swimming pool, like a rubber swimming pool for children. So we have a big one like that, and we set up the water system. And when you see, they have a different kind of koi fish, different breed, and some scale they are very shiny, some also look a bit more like not too shiny. And if you look more, they have a different color and is have a different name. And most of them will have a certificate as well, same like us, like how we have a birth certificate, but fish also have a certificate to mention that where they come from or which breed they come from. And uh, basically for koi fish, what I don't have like a kind of really good knowledge about it, but my brother told me that when you feed them very well, it can be very big and can long like meters or something, which I try not to let them too big because otherwise our fish tank will be exploded. Basically what you see in the beginning when I started to record it, they're very shy because this is the first time that we put the camera under the water, and then they just look like a bit scary and see what's going on with my life today. And then later on they start to approach a little bit to the camera, and then now they start to basically look, some fish also look and try to nibble and try to touch it. That's the way that you can see that maybe they just swim past and then it's like pass and then did not have eye contact with you yet. So if you look so far, I don't know that when it's gonna come up, but if I would like you to concentrate with the biggest one, guess what color it's gonna be? The biggest one, I can give you the answer. Actually, the biggest one in the tank is the white one, which is not in on the at the moment yet, but later on I hope you can see he is the biggest one, because that is the one you will see. Now you can see the mouth when every time when he open the mouth. I don't know if he or she, but I guess maybe it's a him. So basically he can eat like four like a dot four pellet or something that you feed them at the same time. And if sometimes he just like swallow it all, sometimes he could not, but he just like buy a very tricky fish and he just spit it out first and then swallow it again. You can see the way that they try to grab that food in the mouth, but open the mouth, and the mouth is so big. So now is another tank, which is my golden fish. Actually, if you see, they have a different size, and basically for the smaller one is my baby fish before, and now they grow up a little bit. And if you see the way that they group it together now, because I just put the red worm like a kind of a cube, it's like a fresh food for them, which can stimulate and help them to grow bigger or grow faster. Basically, I put a cube like that for four cube at the same time in a kind of a sieve that we attach it on the fish tank, so you can see that they group them to, like they group together, and they try to nibble and nibble and nibble. Some lead worm will like kind of come off, and then the bigger fish, which cannot come across to the sieve thing, they can swim and they can eat on the bottom of the fish tank. So that is when you see the bubble thing, is an oxygen that we try to make them like a kind of a bit like a strong oxygen, like a harder one, because we would like them to swim like a kind of help them to exercise more. When they exercise more, they eat more, and then they eat more, they grow more. That is the way that we try to feed the golden fish. And you can see they have a different breed as well, because you can see some also have the black eyes, some also have red eyes, some also have a kind of like a kind of bright, very bright, like a very innocent eyes. You can see that one. And they come with the different colors. And also, except from you feed them with the what is called like a pellet, the small tiny one, or a red worm, you can feed them sometime with the like a boiled egg, but you get the only egg, like a egg yolk or something like that, that is boiled egg, and then you just mash it and just put it. They will nibble, but the disadvantage of this thing is because it's a fresh food that you boil the egg, and then when you put long time in the water, it make the water like not very good. So I hope you get some idea and enjoy my fish and underwater world. Thank you very much, and see you for the next time. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching my videos, and if you have any comment or any idea or anything that you would like to know about Thailand or Bangkok, just let me know. I will try to find the answer for you. And it will be great if you can support my channel by press the like or give me the subscribe. So it will be help to and support my channel. Thank you very much and see you soon. Bye bye.